Okay, you guys, I just got out of the shower. I am wearing this t-shirt that I'm probably gonna wear today, and I'm still debating if I should straighten my hair or not. You guys, literally, do you guys go through this dilemma if you have curly hair? I find my straight hair is easier to manage, but my curly hair, I just think my curly hair is easier to do. Like, it takes me less time to make my hair curly, but it's harder to manage and to upkeep. But for my straight hair, it just takes longer, but it's easier to maintain. Do you get my dilemma? So I don't know if I should straighten my hair. That's my shower. If you guys heard that sound, my shower does this weird like spewing sound. Okay, you guys, I'm all ready. I'm getting ready to go to Value Village to film this thrifting video. I have my friend helping me out to film some shots because I want to get shots of me like going through the racks and stuff. So I have my friend who's gonna help me film. And yeah, I hope I find some good stuff. I'm like hopeful, but I don't want to get too excited and then I end up not finding anything. I might go to a couple of Value Villages though, just to kind of see what my options are. I'm gonna start with the one that's like the closest to me, and then maybe we'll work our way to a couple of other locations. But yeah, let's just get going. Let's get in the car. Okay, you guys, I just got into the car. I'm trying to connect my phone to my Bluetooth, and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna pick up my friend who is I'm gonna pick up my friend who's helping me film. I'm probably not gonna film in the car with her, and we're only gonna film when we get there. But I just wanted to update you guys. I actually really like the way my makeup turned out today. I'm all out of like my favorite concealer, so I used this LA Girl one that I haven't used in a long time, and I like the way it turned out. So let's get going, you guys. I'm really hoping this video turns out properly. I have been like not inspired to film anything in the past like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, so I haven't uploaded a video in a really long time. I decided I don't want to upload forced videos. I feel like I like uploading stuff that is genuine to me and that is actually something that interests me. I feel like I love vlogging and stuff. It's really fun, but it is hard to vlog with my family because we are a pretty large family. But I just need to get into the habit of like vlogging more often because I think it's entertaining and it's fun to keep memories like these. And I also really like fashion videos. Like, I think it forces me to get out of my comfort zone. I don't think I'm like a fashion expert by any means, but I think forcing myself to like create those types of videos holds me more accountable to dress better, because I always say I want to dress really well, but then I never end up doing it. And so yeah, and then I also have another fun series that I'm going to be doing soon. I just have to get the courage to go film the first video. It's revolving getting over one of my biggest fears, which is being alone and doing things alone. So stay tuned for that soon. And what else did I want to film? I wanted to film, I have good videos planned. I just need to actually execute it. Just wanted to give you guys a life update. Not that you guys really care. And by you guys, I mean my mom, because she's the only one that watches these videos. Guys, this lighting is actually really good. J'adore. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my house now. I just got home. I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got. I'm super excited with all the stuff that I purchased today. I have to wash everything and sanitize it just because you never know, COVID time. Guys, I got home from thrifting. I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff I got a little bit later because it's in the wash right now. You want? You want to take it? But you gave it to me, baby. You want to put it right there? Okay, take it off. He's taking away my stickers that he gave me. Here. And the other one too. Oh, he's like, give me both. We'll show his collage. Okay, you want to show them what you're doing, kid? Look. Don't get your face in it, baby. Nope. Whoa, guys, this is Nurhi's collage of stickers. Oh my god, can you tell us what it is? What's this? Okay, you can do it. You can hold it. Okay, well, you have to say what it is, don't you? Tell them. Tell them what it is.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Okay, what's this one? I don't even know. What's that?
What's that?
What is it?
What is that?
What is it? Okay, you guys, so I'm back home now. I think you guys saw some clips of my nephew. He took my vlog camera and he wanted to show you guys his stickers and just all the fun stuff that excite him. All my clothes are in the wash right now. Well, they're in the dryer. I took them out of the wash a little while ago. I think I'm gonna like crop some of the stuff, and I might get a pair of the pants tailored because I got like a size that was a little too big. But all in all, I feel like it was a really good shopping trip. The girl that was working there was really sweet, and she told us that this other location in Ottawa is like bigger and has a lot more stuff. So I might go there either before I upload this video or after I upload this video, and just check out what they have there. It definitely took some patience, and I had to like go through every single aisle, but it was really fun, and I'm definitely down to go thrifting again. It was probably one of my first times actually like seriously going thrifting in a long time. So I'm gonna watch some Love Island. I don't even know how many episodes there are, because I know in the UK one there's like 40 or 50 episodes, but I think the US one's a little shorter. If you guys are watching Love Island, please leave me who your favorite couple is in the comment section down below. I was gonna say description box. In the comment section. Mine is obviously Justine and Caleb. I am so happy that she found Caleb, and I hope they last, to be honest, because they're really cute, and they're the only reason I watch the show. So just let me know.
Because this past week has been a very emotional roller coaster.
Oh, she's gonna pick Johnny.
I've learned a lot, and I'm grown as a woman.
Oh my god, she's so dumb. Look at his smirk. I hate Johnny.
I feel like I've never been more drawn to a man, and I've never felt.
Because he's toxic, baby girl.
And I can't wait to see that translate in the real world.
Cringe. Friends, we're going on an adventure, you guys. We are going to buy some bleach, because me and Monica are bleaching our hair today, right, Monica? We're going platinum blonde. I'm going platinum blonde, you guys. I'm taking this color. Nifty, want to go blonde too?
Yeah.
He was telling me the other day he actually wanted to go blonde. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
Of course not. I told him that, but
I actually can't even dye children's hair.
No, I know you can't. But it's the fact that he said he wanted to. I was literally dying. He did it by himself, and I didn't even know he knew the
You
color.
can dye your hair for Halloween.
We can get you a spray.
What color would you want
Oh,
to
you
be?
can fly. I'm gonna put sneakers on.
What color?
I'm Sean. Can I wear these shoes outside? Just kidding. Leave me alone. I didn't say anything. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go to Home Sense. You wanna go blonde?
Yeah.
Okay, for Halloween you can go blonde.
Baby.
Baby, read the room. Period. Okay, you guys, so let me put you here. I just came back from Home Sense Winners, and I am going to show you guys quickly what I got. I'm crouching down because I don't have my tall tripod right now and I don't want to go get it, but I got this new straightener for my hair because mine has like a crack down the middle. So I got this one, and it's titanium plate, which heats up like a lot faster and is like better for your hair. Super standard. I'm gonna straighten my hair tomorrow, I think, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. They have Jordan Woods lashes, so I got the like Idile Jordan Woods lash collab, and then I also got just these like 3D fluffy lashes for whenever I want to do more dramatic looks. I haven't been into wearing lashes as much, but I saw these and I was like, okay, maybe I'll get back into it. This Iron Guard, it's basically just like a heat protectant spray. I haven't been using heat protectant at all this past year, and I just thought I'd get back into the habit of like protecting my hair when I straighten it. And then I also got a purple shampoo. I got the small size just because I want to see if it actually makes a difference. I've been using blue shampoo, but I just think that like leaves my hair looking super brassy, and I really want it to look like a cool toned blonde. Right now it's just like an orange color, so we're gonna try that tomorrow. I was gonna do it tonight, but I'm way too tired and I want to like try it and then straighten my hair because I feel like I'm able to actually see the results a lot better then. I also went to Shoppers Drug Mart because I needed to buy some Advil because I have really bad cramps, and then I picked up my Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I'm all out. I got the shade that I usually use, which is 60, and I use this Cacao 60. I use this as like a foundation. I feel like it's a really good foundation. And then I also got the 55 to highlight with. So yeah, that's basically all I got. I'm gonna go to sleep, you guys. It is currently 10:35. and I have work in the morning, and so yeah, I'm just gonna go to sleep. Me and my cousin want to attempt to do silk wraps or silk presses by like wrapping your hair in saran wrap after you straighten it. So we're gonna film that. That should be really hilarious, and I can't wait to see the results, or if like it actually works. I'm excited to see if it actually works. I got mirrors installed in my bathroom finally, because we didn't get any mirrors with the builder because we didn't like the options that they had. So I just got these ones from HomeSense. They're really cute. Okay, you guys, so this is the couch that came in the wrong color. We waited literally 4 months for this couch, and we ordered it in a blush pink, but they sent this like green color instead. It's showing up a lot less dark green than it is actually in person. His friend is coming and we're gonna bake cupcakes. So let me show you guys the little cupcake setup that we have going on here. Look, we have all of our stuff, right, Nuhi, to make cupcakes? Yeah. We have everything. What's this? The best part. Sprinkles. Sprinkles, yup. And we have our icing. I was originally gonna make a recipe from scratch, but I feel like that's just gonna take too much time. But we literally have everything. Guys, we're putting on some heat protectants on her hair because she needs it. Look at how dry she is. She looks so gross. I think I have to get my hair bleached again because I just don't like the way this looks, I think. So I have to book an appointment to get it bleached again. It's been 3 months. I think that's an acceptable time to wait. Yeah. In between. Guys, we just finished saran wrapping my hair. Oh my god, I look crazy. But we're gonna blow dry it. Let me turn the fan off. We're gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna do my cousin's hair too, and I will show you guys the results. Hopefully it looks good. Treatment is not for me. Okay, you guys, I did it. We did it. It's really hot, and I feel like we didn't do it properly. A lot flatter. My ends are a lot straighter. I feel like if we had the big bag that you get on Amazon where you can just like put your blow dryer in, it would have looked better. But you know, it's pretty good. Did the job. Did the job, and I'm gonna curl my hair now because I don't like straight hair. I feel like who likes straight hair, pin straight hair? It doesn't look good on a lot of people. Okay, you guys, so here's the finished product. I curled my hair into like some beachy waves, like some loose curls, and guys, I really hate when there's like that gap. Do you see that gap? Do you see that? It actually pisses me off. I need to get extensions again. Ever since I cut and dyed my hair, I can't use my extensions anymore because it's not the same color as my hair. But this is the final product. I really like how it turned out. I feel like the shampoo actually did work. My hair looks a lot less orange. It still has like a honey undertone to it, but I think that's just because I need to do another round of bleach. So I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little like few days in my life. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out all my other videos. Also, can you guys comment down below what straightener you guys use, because I am in the market for a new straightener. The straightener I bought from HomeSense yesterday is going back to the store because she does not work properly. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.